Are you ready to invest in cryptocurrency? Let's explore. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography. Unlike traditional money, it's decentralized, meaning no central bank or government controls it. Most cryptocurrencies run on blockchain technology, a transparent and fraud-proof distributed ledger. Bitcoin, launched in 2009, was the pioneer. Since then, thousands like Ethereum and many altcoins have emerged, each offering unique benefits. But here's the kicker: cryptocurrencies are incredibly volatile. Their prices can skyrocket or plummet within hours. So why are people so excited? For one, crypto transactions are fast, have low fees, and can be anonymous. As crypto becomes more mainstream, it's used for online purchases, investments, and even in gaming and finance. But remember, the crypto world is complex and always changing. It's crucial to stay informed and tread carefully. So are you ready to join the crypto craze? It's a wild ride, but it might just be the future of finance. Not financial advice, and please do your own research. Thanks for watching.